Hi, this is Christine Seymour, and I'm a certified public accountant. I want to thank you for downloading a copy of my book, The 7 Biggest Tax Strategies for Medical Professionals and How to Use Them. You will be receiving an email from me shortly with a link for you to download your copy, so be on the lookout for that. I do hope that you will invest some time in reading the book and implementing the 7 strategies. Now, I am often amazed as to how often I see these strategies not being implemented. You see, many CPAs, bookkeepers, and tax preparers are not advisors. So they simply record your transactions year after year so that you have a clean set of books and you're able to do your tax returns. Now, don't get me wrong, there's absolutely nothing wrong with having a clean set of books and accurate tax returns. In fact, it makes it easier to get bank loans and it avoids those massive tax penalties you could get when your books are messy and your tax returns are not correct. But if that's all your CPA or tax professional is doing, they could be costing you thousands of dollars each year. If you have not had a tax planning session or a strategy session recently, in light of the tax law changes and all these ongoing changes, you're likely paying too much in taxes. And this is where I want to help. I would love to give you 45 minutes of my time for free to do a deep dive into your business structure and to see how you could take advantage of these strategies to save you thousands of dollars each year. Now, there's absolutely no obligation, and at the end of the call, you'll have a clear plan of what you need to do to boost your take-home pay. So I hope to hear from you soon, and take care.